Okay, so now we refer to role of management accountant. So number one is planning. Okay, planning is help to formulate future plans. Okay, planning future plans by providing information to assist decision what to produce, what product to sell in what market. Okay, so that means it set the goals and developing methods of achieving them. So this is under planning. The second one is controlling. Okay, controlling it control processing by providing performance report. Okay, so how to control? You will compare actual outcome and planned outcome. Okay, targeted or planned compared with the actual. Okay, so you can control from the difference. So determine whether the goals are being met. So from here, when you compare, you should know whether your goals is being met or not. If they are not, okay, what can be done? How to overcome the difference, the problems here. So this will draw managers' attention to those specific activities that do not conform to plan. So anything that do not achieve the target, so managers will have the attention to identify and take corrective action. Okay, then organizing. Organizing represents the design and implementations of accounting system for better defining and consolidating the relations between centers to ensure effective performance. So that means consolidate relations between centers. So there are many centers in a company. You have sales, you have production. Okay, so organizing that means to consolidate and also the relationship between the centers. And then motivating. Okay, budget and performance report produce have an important influence on motivation of personnel of the organization. So when the sales example when the sales department or the sales manager prepare the sales budget. Okay, sales budget, they target the sales unit. Okay, so these sales units will be informed to the sales men. So when salesmen receive the target, so they are motivated to achieve the target. So they know what is their target of the company. So they are motivated to achieve the target. Okay, and then communication. So eight communication function, installing, maintaining an effective communication and reporting system. Who are responsible for carrying out plans, budget, what expected of them during the budget period. Okay, example just now in terms of target sales. Okay, so if the top management do not disseminate the information, so the salesman do not know the target. So if there are communication, okay, between the sales manager and salesman, so communication, vertical communication. So that means the sales manager will inform the salesman, so the salesman will know their roles to achieve the target. So the communication, vertical communication. Okay, top and bottom, sales manager and salesman. Okay, there are also communication that horizontal. Okay, sales department and production department. Okay, communication. So sales target how many units to be sold. So if they do not give the information to the production department do not know how many units to be produced. So there should be any communication between sales and production department. So horizontal communication and also vertical communication to ensure coordination between managers in different departments. So this is horizontal communication. So this is vertical communication. Okay. Roles of accountants in management process. So financial accountants, preparations of information about organization past operation. FA is about past. MA provide information and recommend. Provide, recommend, okay, causes of alternative action to assist in terms of what? In decision making. So managers will use information to make a decision. Okay, information needed by managers differ from external users. So external users cannot get the confidential information. Okay, information used for planning, control, and forecasting. So this is for management accountant. Involved with past, present, future information. Okay, on not only monetary but also non-monetary information. Okay, roles of accountants as a conclusion. MA provide information for decision makers inside the organization. FA provide information for decision makers outside the organization. So these are the conclusion for both MA and FA. Okay, now we refer to primary functions of cost or management accounting system. Normally, okay, primary functions, number one, inventory valuation for internal and external profit measurement. Okay, allocate cost between products. Okay, so you calculate cost, product sold, fully and partly completed. So if you have partly completed of the product, so how much the cost is. Okay, but if there are products yang unsold products, so the closing stock, how much the cost is. Okay, then provide information, okay, to help managers in better decision, make a better decision. There are many decision, okay, such as profitability analysis, product pricing to set the price, how much the price of the product, make or buy, product mix and discrimination. So actually there are many decision making. So the second function will be help in terms of make better decision. The third one is for planning, control and performance measurement. Okay, so planning. So there are long term and also short term planning, budgeting. And then periodic performance report of for feedback control. When you compare the budgeted and actual, okay, then you get the difference, performance report. You use that report for feedback and control. And then you can also use that information as performance report to evaluate managerial performance, whether that department is good or not in terms of performance. Okay, when we provide the information, okay, so that information could be useful information. If the information is bad information, so it cannot be used for decision maker. Okay, so there are characteristics for useful information. The first one will be relevance. So it's relevance. Relevance is the key factor because of flexible nature of managerial accounting. Information that can take any form management chooses. In a complex financial world, and endless streams of information is available to management, so that we need to determine which information should be considered and which should be ignored. The choice is made on the basis of relevance. So if the information is relevant, it will be different for decision. Okay, so if you choose this alternative, the information, if you choose decision, if you choose the alternative, that information will give different output. Okay, will give you different output. So that's why it's relevant information. So this is very important in decision making. So we will see again relevance in relevant cost and revenue under topic decision making. And then the usefulness of the information should be accuracy, second characteristic. So even though managerial accounting is based on estimates, okay, the plan budgeting is based on estimation and projection, but this information must be as accurate as possible. Okay, to be of value, sound judgment and experience should underlie any developments of subjective data. Example, if you want um, to prepare the sales budget, so that selling price must be as accurate as possible. That means the current price. You cannot take the price before that, 1 month, 1 week before. Maybe the price 1 week before is outdated data. So the information should be as accurate as possible, even though there is estimation here. Okay, and then timeliness. What is timeliness? Is Timeliness is crucial because management operates in an increasing dynamic and competitive business environment. Okay, this concept of timeliness simply means that information should be as current as possible. Okay, all information will be not representative of future conditions, so you cannot take data that outdated data. Okay, should be as current as possible. Okay, that information must be available quickly when needed to enable management to take appropriate action and make relevant decision. If you get the information, the old information, okay, your decision may be wrong. So outdated information lost its value. Okay, understandability. So understandability, the information presented. So the information that presented to the top management must be focused on the user. So who will use their information? For what purpose must be clearly understood. Typically, users of accounting information will not be trained accountants, so they any preoccupation with technical jargon will adversely affect the use of the information. So the top management sometimes do not have accounting background. So when you present the information, you have to make sure that information must be understood by them. Okay, let's say if your top management want to make a decision in terms of product, you have product A, product B. Okay, sales of product A, sales of product B. And then the company also have two branches, product branch Y, branch Z. So if the company want to see the profit, to compare the profit in terms of product, so you have to record compare in terms of A and B. You tak boleh compare Y and Z because Y and Z is not are not product. Y and Z are branch. So we have to present the information based on users' needs. Okay, the presentation of the report must be according to what is required by users. So if users need the information comparisons of product, you compare A and B. If the users need the comparisons of the branch, you compare Y and Z. So must be understandable to make by the users. The users normally is the top management. Reliable, okay, the information must be available to measure are reliable and they are free from error. So that means the information do not have any error or biasness and accurately represent events of the organization. And then complete. The information does not omit important aspects of underlying event that is measured. So you have to the report must be complete. Okay, must be complete. Okay, if there are they use two types of measure, you have to report of two types of measure, so you cannot report only one type of material. Okay, cost effectiveness. Okay, so cost effectiveness, managerial accounting information must be cost effective. So that means the value of information must exceed its cost. Okay, this means that it must pass a cost benefit test in each application. For example, vast quantities of information can be developed with the computer today. However, the process of gathering information costs money and it must value and its value must exceed its cost. So in order to use the information, okay, you need to get the information. There are many ways how to get the information. So if the cost to get information is higher compared to the benefit that you get from the information, so that one is not cost effective. So the cost effective means benefit that you use the information is more than the cost that you get the information. Okay, let's say if you want to get the information about the demand of the customers, okay, demands of customers. Okay, so maybe there are two ways how to get the to estimate the demands of customers. Let's say from market survey and from past data. Okay, past data. Okay, from past data, that means the data is in the company. So you do not have to incur any cost. But if you go for market survey, you need the cost here. That means you have to recruit to make a survey. Okay, so you need the cost. So in this case, which is the most beneficial or the most less cost is based on the past data. You predict from the past data. Okay. Ultimate measures of benefit of information is the quality of decision making based on it. So this is the end of you punya purpose, okay, of benefit must be exceed then compared then cost. Okay, accountants should aim to provide information to the right people in the right quantity at the right time. So better quality decision might be made by postponing a decision until the more information or information of greater accuracy is available. Okay, so that means must not overload information. However, okay, must often be made. Okay, decision must often be made promptly if they are have to maximum influence of future events. So in this case, management accounting information should be produced only if it is considered that the benefits from the use of information exceed the cost. So that's why we call it cost benefit, cost effectiveness. Okay. Okay, nature and purpose of internal management reporting. Internal management reporting. So that means the report is to be used internally. So only for management accounting. Internal management reporting, okay, is a financial data or other information, non-financial data that accumulated to be communicated to another within business entity. So that means internal use. Okay, internal use only. The information assists others in the managerial decision process, such as expenses report, capital budgeting analysis. Okay, the report that designed to guide management rather than inform outsiders. So that one is IMR, internal management reporting. Goals of internal management reporting. So why we have to record internally? Okay, so number one, to manage the business day to day. Okay, day to day, that means create tools that managers can use to make decisions based on relevant, accurate information. Okay, align. Okay, number two, align incentive of employees with the organization as a whole. Give employee goals that are integrated with the management reporting so that their progress is measurable, actionable, and rewarded. Let's say you set the target, okay, for the workers to achieve. Let's say salesman. So you set the target, salesman set the target, okay, salesman to achieve target sales 100 units every month. So if they can achieve the target, so they will be rewarded. Okay, so that's why that one will be for internal purpose, rewarded for internal parties. Okay, and then create, manage a solid controls environment. Help managers become comfortable with the multitude sign off. So that means when you compare the actual and budgeted, okay, and then you can control from here, you can see the sign off. That means bad indication. Okay, bad indication. Okay, if your actual, okay, cost is too high compared to budgeted cost, your target cost is too small, okay, but your actual cost is too high, so that means here you overspend. Okay, overspend, that is bad indication. And why? You have to investigate. Okay, that must be complete throughout the year. Okay, you have to investigate what happens. Okay, so this is for IMR.